3, 2, 1.
The Ryder Cup is presented as trophy in what sport? The answer is A. Golf. What date did the television series first air in which shareholder meeting is an episode? The answer is C. March 24, 2005. What was the store in Sydney called after Jones moved to Australia? The answer is A. Appleton and Jones. Which character was dressed as a jester in Rentecust? The answer is B. Timothy Claypole. Is photo gallery automatically or separately installed? The answer is A. Separately. What was the concern with longer-range ICBM with H-bomb? The answer is A. Relative inaccuracy of the missile. Who played Eliot Ness in the 1987 film The Untouchables? The answer is D. Kevin Costner. In what year was aloe vera brought to St. Bart's from the Mediterranean? The answer is C. 1773. The lemur is endemic to which island? The answer is C. Madagascar. What is the term for polyatomic ligands with two or more donor atoms? The answer is D. Chelates. Nintendo actively encouraged the involvement of what? The answer is D. Third-party software developers. Stratford-on-Avon is a constituency represented in what lower house of the Parliament of the United Kingdom that meets in the Palace of Westminster? The answer is B. The House of Commons. There are cases of heterosexual men wearing bras to hide his enlarged chest. What is the name of the disease that causes this hormonal defect? The answer is C. Gynecomastia. When was her second perfume, Heat Rush, released? The answer is D. 2011. In what year did Harvard Stadium become the first ever concrete reinforced stadium in the country? The answer is D. 1903. What was the first product advertised on British TV? The answer is D. Toothpaste. Which singer has appeared on the cover of Rolling Stone magazine 16 times? The answer is D. Mick Jagger. Overharvesting is a serious threat, particularly to which species? The answer is C. Aquatic species. In which Italian city would you find the famous Torre Pendente? The answer is C. Pisa, the Leaning Tower. What may be the reason for him laughing at himself? The answer is B. He was proud of what he'd written. In Greek myth, who solved the riddle of the Sphinx? The answer is B. Oedipus. What year was the Treaty of Amsterdam rejected by the European Union law? The answer is A. 1997. Which town in Clwyd is known by the nickname Royal Barge to CB? The answer is A. Queensferry. What French word for a month of the year is the same as the English word for a girl's name? The answer is D. Avril. Who do Christians believe created the universe? The answer is D. God. What terms are used for recording with more than one track? The answer is D. Long play LP and extended play EP. The shape of what animal has the puka Harvey acquired in the 1950 movie Harvey? The answer is D. Rabbit. Who came up with the interaction ritual theory? The answer is A. Randall Collins. How many workers established Protestant missions? The answer is C. 127,000 workers. The Angevin Empire was created by the marriage between Henry VI and who? The answer is C. Eleanor of Aquitaine. Which song includes the lyrics, "I laughed at all of your jokes, my love you didn't need to coax"? The answer is B. Maggie May by Rod Stewart. Whose hypothesis states that the solution to a problem is solvable with reasonable resources assuming it allows for monomial time algorithm? The answer is B. Cobham's thesis. What are the two ways animals can manage their internal environment? The answer is C. Regulating or conforming. Whose piano method did Chopin teach his students? The answer is D. Clementi. What notable warming effect does the presence of infrared absorbers contribute to? The answer is A. Greenhouse. How many grains are there in a pennyweight? The answer is B. 24. Which word is defined as having an unfriendly disposition? The answer is D. Ill-willy. What race has a very low rate of holding public office in Brazil? The answer is D. Blacks. What three notes come after do, re, and mi? The answer is D. Fa Sol La. What artist did Kanye West have a feud with over Amber Rose? The answer is D. Wiz Khalifa. Said to go hand in hand with science, what evolves as new materials, designs, and processes are invented? The answer is A. Technology. Which president ended Reconstruction? The answer is B. Hayes. Who was the top star at the U.S. box office in 1935? The answer is C. Shirley Temple. Which group of people believe Jesus does not hold a unique significance? The answer is A. Christians. Which system indicates that the Julian date has been adjusted for length? The answer is A. Old style. What does the word prehensio translate into? The answer is C. To seize. What city in Connecticut has the highest number of Zagat-rated restaurants? The answer is C. New Haven. How large is the Marshall Islands Shark Sanctuary in square miles? The answer is C. 772,000. What was an earlier technology used to connect to the Internet? The answer is D. Telephone lines. Christopher Orr of The New Yorker said, what about Spectre?